Hello, I'm Andrew. I run the Butter Factory restaurant. We're down here in Piree in the beautiful Shoalhaven. Here at the Butter Factory, we're open for lunch and dinner, and we do weddings, functions, events in there. Locally sourced and locally grown products where possible. We love going out to Culburra. In the middle of dairy country here, Culburra, one of the greatest beaches, is 7 minutes that way. So it's a beautiful part of the world. It's a fantastic beach. There's nice little cafes. It's just a really nice part of the world. We're vaguely French themed. We do a nice run of a la carte meals for lunch and dinner. We've got some lunchtime specials in the fish and chips, seafood platter type range that people enjoy. And of course a nice cold beer or a nice glass of bubbles on the way through doesn't hurt that either. We've got cows surrounding us a lot of the time, and pretty nice watching Coolangatta Mountain over to Berry. That's on the north side, and then on the south side's where our nice gardens are. We're a couple of minutes from Greenwell Point and a couple of minutes from Nowra, and sort of 10 minutes from Jervis Bay, so we're nice and conveniently located, and a lot of people come back and a lot of people are, oh, I didn't know this existed. We get that quite a bit. We're in a beautiful part of the world. We're 2 hours from Sydney, so there's nowhere better to be, I don't think.